How to delete Facebook blocked list permanently without unblocking. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, go to Facebook. You cannot actually delete Facebook blocked list permanently without unblocking by your own, but instead what you can do is report to the customer service, and then they will do it for you. You can easily shake your device and go to report a technical problem, go to report, and then you'll just have to describe the issue. That is, I want my block list to be cleared but without unblocking any of them, and simply send the report, and rest is on the Facebook's customer service. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.